Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 8th of September, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Today was another blessing day. We had an amazing volatility. Most of the traders banked more than 100 pips a day today. All right, so let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did and the best trade of the day. Okay, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD in 4 hour, as you have seen from this week, we were short. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, the video link is also given in the video description. Okay, so we had this nice price nicely broken this previous low. As you can see in 4 hour, we were expecting a pullback short trade and we were short whole day, and the target was this level, which you can see here. Price nicely respected previously this level, broken and retest. That was the final target, and price nicely hit around 200 EMA in 4 hour. Let me share with you how I analyze market from here and help my traders to bank some profit. And if you look at the intraday analysis, we were short, and let me share with you guys. Okay, so this is the first analysis I did at the Asian session, just because we have a traders trading in the Asian session. I explained to trader based on the momentum, bearish momentum, we're looking this breakout opportunity, which price nicely broken, and after the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback short trade. So we made a few pippies on breakout at the Asian session. And just before London Open, at the London morning session, I did this analysis again to explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So as long as the momentum is bearish, we have price was, because if you look at the 4 hour, the price is broken. After the breakout, price retest. So this is the 4 hour, we're going to be taking a pullback short trade. That's what happened here. You can see here the price nicely develop another pullback at this level, as explained to my trader. At the orange EMA, we have another beautiful, and as soon as the price hit to the first fib channel, and we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade again, pullback. Then at the New York session, as I said to my trader was asking possibility of reversal. I said, look guys, we're going to trade what we see it. Our first priority, as explained to my trader, look for this pullback. So what happened here, price nicely developed a double top at the resistance level. We were expecting a short trade here, beautiful. As soon as the price hit our profit target in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So you can see we were short on EURUSD based on the 4 hour analysis. We will keep taking a pullback short trade here. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trades, and let me share. Okay, if you look at the 4 hour chart, as you know that this week we were short after the head and shoulder pattern is developed. If you haven't seen my previous video, watch, the link is given in the video description. We had this yesterday beautiful short trade, bank some profit. As you can see here, the price nicely broke on this support level. As always, after the breakouts, you're looking at pullback in 4 hour, and this was over the final target, which price nicely hit. So we have taken a pullback short trade here in intraday. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market this in intraday and help my traders to bank some profit. Okay, so if you look at this is the analysis I did yesterday. Once I banked some profit, I explained to my trader, as long as the price is going to respect this level in 4 hour, that's what I did here in intraday. So looking for pullback, as you can see here, price nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, explained to bank some profit. So this analysis was made for the Asian session. And in the London morning session, just before London Open, as you can see here, explained to my trader, price has broken this previous low, so looking for another pullback. So what happened here? Exactly as mentioned, based on the momentum, we have another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the target, explained to my traders to bank some profit. Then I did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here we already banked some profit, wait for the price to develop another pattern. This was the nicely respected, explained to my trader, develop another symmetric triangle pattern. We explain everything, so look for short trade here as long as the momentum is bearish. We have breakout, after the breakout, pullback, short trade in intraday as soon as the price hit this level, which is the main first target, final target. And even if you look at here, this was the beautiful at the support level, and explained to my trader, guys, enjoying peeping. So we had a beautiful short trade. As you can see that we analyze market in 4 hour and we refine our entries and exit in intraday and bank pips every day. That's what exactly we do. Dollar CAD was the best trade we had. We had such an amazing trade here. We have taken maximum opportunities. Before I finish my session London morning, I squeeze all the pips until it hit this level. Let me share with you guys the intraday. Okay, let me explain to you the price action in 4 hour. We can see here yesterday we were long as soon as the price broke on the previous low, previous high, and our target was nicely hit. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the link is given in the video description. So we had this breakout, after the breakout pullback as always. So we were taking a pullback here, bank some profit. We have taken another counter short trade here at this level, bank few pips, then we were long here. Let me share with you how I analyze, how I refine those entries in intraday. Okay, so if I show you the intraday, my analysis. Okay, so this is the, let me make it slightly bigger for you guys. Okay, so this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. Explained to my trader, momentum is very strong, bullish. So as long as the price gonna stay above this level, we're gonna be taking a pullback. The only way we're going to take a short if the price gonna break and give a retest. So you can see here, based on this analysis, beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first channel, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So in London morning session, I also encourage my traders to look for this breakout. You can see here, based on the previous analysis, we had this pullback long here. Then I did this analysis just before London open. Guys, look for this channel breakout. If the price is gonna break the previous high, we're gonna be taking another long. You can see here, beautiful long. As soon as the price hit this level in 4 hour major resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping and look for short counter short trade here at this level. And that's what I did, instantly updated that analysis. As you can see here, counter short trade at this level, exactly at this level. So we have a counter short trade, beautiful. As soon our target was this level, as soon price nicely hit this target anyway. So we banked beautiful pips as a counter short trade here. And then I explained to my, then at the New York session, we have just after the opening bell, price develop another pattern. We have another beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what we explained to traders, time to tighten your stop loss and let's wait for the news to be released. That's the RBA statement for the dollar CAD. So we have the statement, and after the high impact news, you can see here price develop this type of pattern, but then afterwards, after probably like 7, 8, 10 minutes, I explained to my traders, look like price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, as explained through analysis and through live audio commentary. As you can see here, head and shoulder pattern, and the safest way to look for previous high. Momentum was also supporting, so we had a beautiful breakout long trade, and I said to my trader, just keep taking a long trade here until we see the red candle. You can see here, as soon as we see the red candle, and that's what I explained to my trader, enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful, that was the trade. We will keep taking a long trades on dollar CAD bank, beautiful pips today. All right, so as you can see, guys, we had amazing day today. Bank beautiful pips. Even if you look at the Aussie dollar, you can see here this was the Asian session, this is the New York session analysis. As explained to my trader, first priority would be the pullback short here. We can see here price nicely develop another pullback breakout. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit the previous low, explained to my trader, bank some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you can see, most of my traders bank 100, almost 100 pips more than you can see here, 96 pips. Beautiful. Yeah. So I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, the most interesting thing is you should be watching those analyses with me in real time and banking pips in real time and developing your trading skill in real time. So once you develop your trading skill and you produce consistency result in the virtual platform, then definitely I can help you to get funded. If you are interested how I help my traders in real time through the live market and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional traders can give you more information how you can be a successful trader trading with us, with my traders in real time. So most welcome, guys. And if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure, guys, you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.